Welcome to Biomethane and the 6-farm pilot with Cormac biomethane fuel supply. So, who are we and how are we helping to make humans more sustainable on the planet, leaving a cleaner, healthier environment for future generations? Biomethane was established in 2011 and is a small, highly innovative Cornish company with big global plans to make a worldwide difference by delivering a local clean energy revolution that will reduce greenhouse emissions and tackle a whole raft of sustainability issues along the way. The company employs more than 35 people located on 2 sites, with engineering design and manufacturing based at the Aero Hub Business Park, and research, development and biogas processing taking place on a working farm near Truro. At the core of Biomethane's market-disrupting proposition are commercially viable local production, marketing and distribution of renewable, better-than-zero-carbon biomethane. That is, climate-damaging fugitive emissions of methane captured from livestock manure slurry and processed into compressed fugitive methane gas, CFM, and liquid fugitive methane fuel, LFM. So let's have a look at the Biomethane cycle that our technology and processes unlock. Grass grows, taking in nutrients from the soil and CO2 from the atmosphere. Cows eat grass and other feed, process it in their stomachs and excrete it in a cowshed. The manure is swept into a slurry pit, also called a lagoon, and decomposes, emitting methane and other greenhouse gases, which escape into the atmosphere as fugitive emissions and contribute to changing the climate. Biomethane captures these fugitive emissions by enclosing the lagoon and processes the methane on the farm using fixed or mobile units, which is then stored and distributed as CFM and LFM locally to customers who use it instead of polluting fossil-based energy to fuel lorries and tractors, provide heating and cooking, and even charge their electric vehicles. Completely burning the methane in an engine prevents it going into the atmosphere, and the CO2 that is released in the exhaust is the same amount that the grass absorbed in the first place, completing the circular cycle and making it carbon neutral. The material left behind in the lagoon, known as a digestate, is further processed to create a conditioner that improves soil biology, reducing the need for artificial fertilizer use on the farm, and is distributed on the land using a technique that reduces ammonia emissions, thereby improving air quality and creating more environmental and ecological circularity, establishing a sustainable, net zero carbon, circular, economy-based agricultural model for livestock farming. The technologies and processes that enable this Biomethane cycle will now be piloted across Cornwall on 6 tenant dairy farms in the Cornwall Council Farms estate, and the aggregated biogas production will be supplied to Cormac to fuel road repair equipment and the trucks that tow them. The pilot is a key part of Cornwall Council's Climate Change Action Plan to help Cornwall work towards becoming carbon neutral by 2030. Work has begun on installing Biomethane slurry lagoon gas capture technology at the first farm of the 6 in the pilot, Trenance Farm, located near Saltash, and the Biomethane Cormac Council Partnership look forward to delivering an exciting local clean energy success story that puts Cornwall at the forefront of pioneering renewable energy innovation and its practical commercial deployment. For more information, visit biomethane.com or email us at inquiries@biomethane.com.